Would you please take a seat next to me? I asked my fellow pediatrician after I was admitted to the coronary care unit of my own hospital. I was devastated and felt insecure because I was hit by a heart attack. As a doctor myself, I learned the perspective of the patient the hard way. My colleague sat next to me and helped me understand the words of the cardiologist. And this is where the story of MedGezel begins. Now, what is MedGezel exactly? I hear you ask. MedGezel is a person-centered innovation to empower patients and improve their health outcomes with the help of medical students, taking the role of medical coaches. MedGezel is my dream from the heart. The dream of transforming healthcare with a very practical innovation. Do we need this innovation? I hear you wonder. Yes, we do. Patients encounter a huge information gap within the fragmented care process. Up to 80% of the medical information will be lost or will be misunderstood by the patient. And on the other hand, during the medical education, the amount of empathy declines. MedGezel tackles both problems in a very simple 3-step procedure throughout the full cycle of care, before, during, and after the medical consultation. The medical student acts as a guide, translator, buddy, and coach for the patients. And on top of the personal coaching, the patients receive an easy-to-understand written report. In this way, MedGezel enhances the process of shared decision-making. And this works really well. We collaborated within several IPUs and measured patient outcomes. Our patients felt more secure and prepared when visiting a doctor. 100% would recommend a MedGezel to other patients after their first MedGezel experience. I quote one patient. Through the presence of a MedGezel, my world changed for the better when I discovered that there was a working remedy for my symptoms. End of quote. As far as we know, MedGezel is the first healthcare innovation in the world with medical students in the role of medical coaches. MedGezel can be implemented for a wide range of medical conditions and has a huge potential for upscaling. And last but not least, MedGezel can make a difference, especially with respect to patients with low health literacy and multimorbidity. MedGezel is truly the heart of value-based healthcare. Simple, concrete, effective, and we are shaping our future doctors.